Kuna askari moja nimeuliza Mr. Kome, I've been a policeman myself, so what? I've asked Kome to issue a statement within 12 hours. He never issued. And that policeman by the name of John Mwiti from Olkalao police station, that John Mwiti who wanted to assassinate Baba, semeni John Mwiti akufe, semeni hivyo. Yule ambaye alitupa grenade kwa Baba. It's a policeman who is serving. He was in the administration of police. He's now in uniform, and no action has been taken against that man. Can I continue? And those ones who are wale ambao wanatutisha, wengine walikuwa wanavaa diapers, wengine walikuwa wanauma na mende huko chini. They never knew what Baba went through. When Baba was sleeping in cold cells, when he was being tortured, when his family was vandalized and vanished. Tungine tulikuwa tunanyonya matiti ya nyanya yao. Alafu saa hizo ndio wanakuja wanasema we shall shape the democracy of this country. How do you expect those kind of bastards to shape our democracy? Where will your children go? Watoto wenu wataenda wapi kukiwa na watu kama hawa and they are the leaders of this country? Are you with me or not? Members of the press, I run a news media in Rochester, New York, and I've run it for a very long time. I know what you journalists go through. You are paid peanuts because there are some stupid politicians who will always give you 100 or 1,000. Funga virago enda. You must be paid properly under Baba's government. We must have a proper regulation, proper legal regulation to regulate the press so that those who own the press should become partners with those who run the press. Right or wrong, journalists. And finally, if I go back to the police officers, as a police constable, from police constable, I became a police inspector before I joined the intelligence, the national intelligence. I've read the book by the cover, and I know exactly what I'm talking about. Mwita is my witness. He can tell you how much some of us know. Police officers, you are the most deprived human beings in this country. You are not paid well. You are loaded with a very fake gun. Hizo magani zingine polisi wanabeba leo. Those are not standard firearms that can pass the Consumer Protection Act in the United States. Bunduki zingine zimetolewa huko Taiwan. Even if you shoot it, one kana kufia hapo. Wewe ndio unabeba hiyo. Ya pili huna nyumba. Ya tatu huna mshahara. Ya nne umedanganywa. Ya tano mnaambiwa nyinyi you are the most corrupt. India has legalized corruption. If you give me something and you know it's okay, I'll take it. But in this country, wewe ndio unaambiwa wewe ndio mwizi. Wewe ndio kila kitu. Tumika vibaya. But for members of the public, let me warn you and let me ask you and let me be courageous enough to advise you. Make use of your phone calls. Piga askari yoyote ambao utaona akiwa karibu na wewe. We want to preserve evidence. We also want our team to write the heck now that the IG Kome has not acted by issuing a statement. We are going to write the ICC. I know Benisuda was my classmate. If she was there, she would have said otherwise. Lakini kila mtu kesho atoke. Wengine tumekufa kimwili, roho iko, the spirit does not die. Semeni Raila's spirit will not die. Semeni hivyo. Even if the body goes and is not going anywhere, Raila is there to stay to lead us up to the last minute. Thank you very much. Thank you again.